So in this video, I'll be taking us through how to trade on MT5, how to set up your demo account, and how to set up your account properly. So if you are actually trading using MT5 and you're a new trader, you're a beginner, so the first thing you should do is you should go to your Play Store to download MT5, and that's exactly what we are doing right now. So just go to your Play Store and download MT5. So just type in MT5, and once you type in MT5, you see several options. Just click on any of the options, and this is what you're looking for. You see MetaTrader 5 Forex. That's what you're looking for, and you'd have seen the logo here. So this is what you're looking for. Just simply click on download. Because I have it downloaded already, that's why it's telling me to update. So after you're done downloading it, open up your app, and once you open it up, it will open up like this. Now, to open a demo account, if you have a real life account, all you just need to do is copy the broker of that life account and paste it here to search. So then you put your login details. So this is it for that. But if it's a demo account, so far you're just starting out as a new trader, so what you need first, don't be ashamed to open a demo account. Demo account is very, very important. As a new trader, it is it is inevitable that you make a lot of mistakes when you're just starting out. As a new trader in Forex, it is inevitable that you definitely make a lot of mistakes when you're just starting out in Forex. So it is important for you to start with a demo account, and once you've been able to build yourself and grow your confidence using demo, you can now proceed to a live account. So now, to create a demo account, just click on the symbol, then you will see it load up like this. So now the next thing you want to do, you can see the option of open a demo account. Open a demo account, so to learn trading and to test your strategy. So that's what you're going to click on. So make sure you use hedging. Make sure you use hedging as your account type. You see we have several options, but make sure you use Forex hedged USD as your account type. For leverage, just use 1:100. Just leave your leverage like that. Then your deposit, you can choose any amount you want as deposit. So we have from $3,000 to $5 million. So just choose any amount you want, but 10,000 is okay. You can choose a 10,000 or highest 100,000 USD account. So then the next thing is you click on accept to the terms and conditions, then you click on register. So that's all. So once you do that, new account successfully created, as you can see. So these are your details, your login, your password, everything for the demo account. So you get it, account type Forex hedged. So now that is that on how to open a demo account. Know that this is a demo account, it is not actually real. So the next thing you want to do is to log in, open that demo account. You can see this is the 100,000 account that we just created. So now this is the next thing is for us to start trading on this account. Let's go to quote. Quote is where you select the pairs you would like to trade. So here, let's say I want to trade Euro USD. So all I need to do is click on this plus sign. Okay, Euro USD, click on this plus sign. I want to also trade Japanese yen, that's USD JPY. So just tick it as well. Then I want to trade Australian dollar, that's AUD USD. So you're going to tick that as well. So after you must have selected all the pairs you would like to trade, go back to your chart, then click on this up where you see Euro USD. Just tap on that Euro USD. You can see the list of other options that we have selected has also been displayed, as you can see. You see, this is making sense, right? So now you can now decide to trade any of the pairs. This is, you can say I just change to JBP USD, that's pounds. So you can change to any pairs of your choice that you wish to trade. That aside that, we also have other options here. We have this one that looks like clock. So this is actually there for you to use to set your trade. If you click on this place, we have sell limit. It will change to buy stop, that is buy. Sell limit means to sell, Buy stop means to buy. This is basically used if you want to set your trade. Probably you want to set it down to a particular price and you want it to execute when it gets to that price. You can use this to set it down. And if you want to trade direct, like you don't want to set your trade, you just want that trade to be activated immediately, ASAP, like instant execution. I will show you the best way to go about that too. But this, let's say you want to set your trade, let me move this down. Let's say you want to take this trade when it gets to this place, and your stop loss, just click on that stop loss and push it down to any amount you are willing to risk on that trade. So then your TP, your take profit, that's what TP means. Then we are buying, not selling, so change this to buy limit. You can change it to sell if you want to sell, but we are buying, that's why I change it to buy limit. So for this trade, because this is looking more like a buying trade. From the candle, you will know whether the market is telling you to buy or is telling you to sell. There are so many indicators as well you need to also consider, but majorly sometimes once you look at the chart, you already know the direction of the market. So now let's say I want to buy this particular trade, this particular market, when it gets to 1.15967. I want to buy euro once it gets to 1.15967. so that's why I've placed my buy limit there. Then let's say my stop loss, I'm saying once if it comes down below 1.15805, then close this trade for me automatically. Always set your stop loss when trading. It is very, very important. It is good for you to manage your risk, know how much you are risking on the trade, than you saying you don't want to risk anything. In trading, risk is normal. I tell you, loss is part of the game, but all that matters is that your win rate is far more than your loss. That is all that matters. So that's how you measure your success. It's not like by not losing at all. Even the best of the best traders still lose sometimes. So now you set your profit. Let's say you want to target $30 on this profit, for instance, and you want to buy it from this place. That means you are saying that once the market gets to 1.15967, the market should be automatically executed for you. Then once it's come up to 1.16275, you want to close that trade in $30 profit. So that's what this means. So for you to proceed, just click on this blue arrow. You can see once you click on the blue arrow, you see that the parameters you set has been placed there. Then click on place. Once you click on place, go to your trade. You can see that what we just did now is already there. Can you see that trade has already been placed? Let me delete this trade. To delete it, you can delete it from trade. To delete from trade, just tap on it. If you want to delete from trade, just press down the trade. You see delete order. Just click on delete order. And you can also delete it from your chart. Just go to chart, tap on the lines of the trade, you see, and click on delete. So the trade will delete automatically. So those are the two ways to delete this trade. Now the second thing you should know also is, if you want to sell, what we did now is for buy. If you want to sell, it is still the same method too. Let's say you want to set this market down, that once it gets to 1.16424, you want sell trade to be executed for you. Then you are placing your SL, your stop loss here, that in case if the market comes down to $15 loss for you, you want to close up that trade. And also your profits, let's say you're taking your profit at $30 as well. So all you just need to do is click on this blue arrow, then set it down just like you did the other time. And another thing that is so important you need to know is there is something we call lot size. You see, this lot size is a very important topic. This is lot size. You can see here the lot size I'm using on this trade is 0.10. Lot size is just like you leveraging your money, like multiplying your money to make more money. I will explain better. So now if you want to take a sell limit trade here, just click on place, just the same way we did for buy. So now let's delete this from here. Let's say you want to delete it now. Just, you can see the parameters we set, the SL, the TP, you can see they are all here, and we say we are taking the trade at 1.6424. so that's where we want to take ourselves from. So now we just need to do now is, if we want to delete this, we can choose to also delete it from chart, or we delete it from trade. So now let's delete this from trade. Just press it down, the delete order will pop up. Just click on delete order. Now I was talking about lot size. For you to set your lot size, the easiest way is click on this rectangle sign. You can see 0.1 is what I have here as my lot size. Now using 0.1 for instance, when we bought this market the other time from here and we put our stop loss just beneath it, you can see now what I'm risking here using 0.1 is how much? $8, right? 8.40 cents. Okay, let me say I'm risking $10 using 0.1. I think that should explain it better. Okay, I'm trying to move it so we can see clearly. You can see I'm risking $10 on this trade using 0.1 when I buy it at that spot. So now let's say and my profits, let's say I'm targeting $20 in profit. Always make sure your profit is more than your loss. Now let's say I want to take this trade, I'm risking $10 and my expected targeted profit is $20. So all you just need to do is, using 0.1, you can see lot size. Now let's say I want to increase this lot size because I want to earn more. So now let's increase this 0.1 to 0.2. and you see what we have here now. So it's like I practically doubled my risk, doubled my profit. So if we increase it to 0.3, can you see I practically doubled my risk to $30 and I doubled my profit to $60. If we increase it to 0.4, my risk to $40 and my take profit, which is TP, to $80. Then lastly, if we increase it to 5, can you see I doubled my risk times 5. That's what it means. Then my loss also times 5. That's what it means as well. And that's why you need to really take your time, calm down properly to understand how this market run before you start taking any financial decision on it. Alright, so the last thing I'll be showing us is how to do instant execution. Instant execution means you saw what the market is doing and you know that it is the best time for you to buy that market. It is the best time for you to trade. So you don't want to take any pending order. You don't want to set any trade down. You just want to enter the market immediately. And when you're doing this, always make sure you calm yourself down. Don't rush into the market so you not rush out in loss. So calm yourself down. Be sure of your decision before making such decision. So now to do that, click on this rectangular box. Can you see we have two options? One is buy, one is sell. So now let's say we want to sell. So all you just need to do is first set your lot size. Always set your lot size first. We have set our lot size to 0.1. So then we have sell, we have buy. So I'm just going to sell. So for you to do that, just click on sell. Tap it once, only once. Okay, because it's a new demo account, so we have to agree to the terms and conditions first. So click on that. So you won't get that message again. We get it now because it was a new account. So for you to trade, just click on sell. Okay, let's go to trade. Can you see that trade is active already? That sell that we just did now is active. Can we see it now? So we can also delete it just the same way we deleted the other two previous ones. So that's how to trade on MT5. And another thing you should know is that we also have what we call indicators. Indicators that help us to make some trade decisions. Like if you look at the bottom of my chart right now, you will see an MACD indicator. So it's actually a trend indicator that tells you what the market trend is saying. From what you can see on this 4 hours chart, you can see the market is telling me the trend is doing more of buy than sell. That is what this you're seeing right here simply means. Then another thing I will show you is also the timing. We can check what the market is doing every 4 hours. You can check what the market is doing every 1 hour. You can check what the market is doing every 5 minutes. We can even check what the market is doing every week and every month. So that way you have better idea of what the market is saying from different time frame, what the market has been saying every 1 hour, what the market has been saying every 4 hours, or what the market has been saying since the past 2 days or since the past 3 days. That way it will help you to make a good financial decision. So I think this is just all you need to know. Actually, these are the basic you need to know as a beginner in Forex. You cannot know it all in one day, but with consistent practice you will keep getting better and better. Then the last thing I'll be showing us is what we call indicator. So you can also trade with indicators. Indicators also helps a lot in making trade decision. So now if you want to check your indicator, can you see this N sign? Just click on it. Just select the indicators you need. You can do your research on YouTube on all of these different indicators and how they work. If you want to choose any indicator, just come here. Once you tap on the indicator and you set it right, it will show on your chart. This will be all on this video. I hope you enjoy this video and I wish you success in your trade journey.